Leah, pull your arm up and down.
Now 610 was a locomotive built in 1952 for the U.S. Army. It's a 280 consolidation, meaning that it's actually pretty small of a locomotive. 2 wheels in front for a pilot truck, and 8 driving wheels, and then 0 wheels beneath the cab as a trailing truck. Now 610 is a really special locomotive because it was the last steam locomotive built for commercial use in the United States. So she's literally one of a kind. The turntable was built in 1916 and put into service in Macon, Georgia. When the locomotives got so large that they could no longer fit on the turntable, they moved it to Cedartown, Georgia, where there was smaller locomotives in use. Well, in 1982, we installed the turntable here, and it's been in use ever since July 4th of 1982. The turntable itself weighs over 60 tons just by itself. The locomotive weighs over 120 tons. So altogether, this turntable's axle has to support 180 tons. This used to be an Armstrong type turntable, meaning that poles stuck out from the side of the turntable, and you had to have 4 or 5 really big guys to turn this table around. But now, underneath that shading, just over to the left of the table, frame and also some of the cylinder heads. And the very rear behind 630 is our Niles machines. These tooling devices are basically giant lathes. And we have all 3 different types of lathes that you would need in order to be able to do any type of wheel work on any steam locomotive wheel. As a matter of fact, if you've ridden behind a steam locomotive here in the United States, chances are we've done work on that locomotive, especially wheel work. Right now, for you folks that have been on the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad, their engine 1702, well, you got its driving wheels back there right now doing some work on those. Now, some of the things you can't see here in our shop is just to the left where the crane is at. That's our machine shop, and we have a brand new addition we just added on. We have our air brake shop.
Train station all day. I'm gonna wave hello, okay?